Asset integrity is your job. Every day you work tirelessly to maintain site safety, minimize downtime, and maximize the lifetime of your assets. When moisture or corrosion attacks your pipework, that job becomes a lot more difficult and a lot more expensive. But what if you could detect CUI early, in real time, without removing cladding? You can, because that is exactly what Subtera's inspection cameras do. Our cameras visualize moisture and corrosion through non-metallic cladding, high-performance thermal insulation, and advanced coatings. All while your assets are fully operational and generating revenue. Real-time measurements, 360-degree inspection of even complex pipework. Subtera gives you a comprehensive overview of asset integrity. It means you know exactly where to act to prevent wall loss, optimize inspection activities, and make your assets fit for a net-zero future. Nothing locates CUI and moisture as quickly, reliably, or cost-effectively as Pi360. Welcome to the evolution.